What's up, folks? Chad Boyle, eXp Realty, Atlanta, Georgia. All right, this is my open house post game video. So I had the open house today, and I wish I had better news, but today I took an L. I got a big goose egg, so no appointments. So basically, the whole day was a complete waste of time for me. But I was able to remember, if you recall from the video, had kind of three things I was looking to do at the open house. One was to set an appointment with a buyer, and that the whole success of the open house depends on that. That didn't happen, so it was an L. I took an L. Now, there were two other things, which this wasn't my listing, so there was another listing, another agent allowed me to have an open house here, and I was trying to get some information from them. So I was able to get some feedback from people just by asking them after they walked through the house, hey, do you think you could live here? And so that generated conversation around the house and what would have to be different, what they liked, what they didn't like, what wouldn't work for them. So I can pass that information on to him. And then there was a couple people who had real estate agents who I got the name of their agent. So now I can pass that on to him. He can follow up with those agents and see if he can have a conversation with them, see if there's any further interest. So I was able to, get the feedback and all that stuff. So now I will say I had two good conversations with people, but unfortunately it ended up that they had agents. Now, had they not had agents, I would have gotten an appointment, but they did have agents. So again, I didn't get one. So the other two conversations I had, they were kind of, I would say I wasn't as sharp as I was with the first two. So I think that just comes down to practicing my open house script and knowing it just a little bit better. I would say with the open house script, it's not something I have down on paper. So this week I'm going to commit to that, putting that down on paper and making sure that I'm sharp as a tack when somebody comes through the door. That way I put myself in the best position possible to set an appointment. One other thing I will say is I only have like 6 open house signs. I think that impacts the number of the amount of traffic I have coming in. So one thing I've been, meaning to do for a while is get more open house signs because I like doing open houses, and so that's one of my lead generation sources. And so I'm going to commit within this next week, in addition to having my open house script written out, that I'm also going to order some additional signs so that I have at least 20 by the time I do my next open house, which hopefully will be next weekend. So I think if I take some action here and learn a lesson based on what happened today and taking the L, then won't be a complete loss, and I'll be in a much better position next week when I do my open house. So thank you guys for watching. If you are not subscribed to my channel, just go ahead, hit the button now. It's no problem. Just go ahead and do it now. If you do know of anyone who may be thinking about buying, selling, or investing in real estate in the North Metropolitan Atlanta area, go ahead, give me a call, 678-761-2493. And then if there's ever anything I can do to help you, you can reach out to me there. Hit me up on Facebook. Put a comment right here. So thanks for watching, and hey, have a great week. We're going to hit them phones tomorrow, and we'll see what we can do. Take care.